Now, judging by this bag, that is from Germany, or Deutschland. That's in Dutch. It means my dad was to Germany. So, here is some stuff my dad's brought back for me. Let's have a look, see what he got me. First off, 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser 78. There's UKCM mark on the packaging, but it's up there. It's Acura Integra Type R. It looks very much like a Hot Wheels casting, that does. Looks very Hot Wheels-ish. And last but not least, we have a VW Golf Mark 7 Premium. These are so new, they haven't even come to the UK yet. This was €11.90. This was €3.90. And this was €3.90. Let's open up the Land Cruiser 78 first. Let's see if I can get it open, that is. And we're in. Here it is. Very, very nice. And well detailed as always with Matchbox. No temperatures in the back though. That looks like a shovel or drill bit in the back there. Case maybe, and some chains in the back. (2024) metal casting. So this is literally came out. This is literally a brand new casting. Pretty nice. Next up, we'll look at the hot casting that could be mistaken for Hot Wheels. If you looks at it like that, and the wheels, you would say, "Oh, that's a Hot Wheels," but no, it's a Matchbox. I think Integra Type R. It looks very much like Hot Wheels, this casting does, and I'm surprised that Hot Wheels does not have an Integra. This casting does look so Hot Wheels like, it's not funny. And here she is. Again, looking very much like a Hot Wheels casting, this is. If you was to cover the wheels, you think, ooh, that's a Hot Wheels. Just give them an angle. But no, it is a Matchbox casting. And it's got full detail all around as well. Sweet. Model number MB1496. You know what? There's actually no model number on this. There's no date stamp on this one. I think it's on the Land Cruiser 78. MB1496 is model number. But no date stamp. Weird. Okay, last but not least, we'll be opening up the Volkswagen Golf Mark 7. By the way, my voice is croaky because I've just woken up. My second Hot Wheels Golf Volkswagen now. My third actually, because I've got to pick up downstairs. It's nice. Very nice rendition of the Golf. It looks very realistic. Beautiful casting. This casting's a bit older than some of the others. This is 2015 Mattel, made in Thailand. This one's another date stamp, T19. So week 19 of 2023. So this is actually a 2023 release, but regardless, I haven't got it. I haven't found it in the UK. I believe some collectors found it in the Smiths in the UK, but I've never seen it in the UK. Very, very cool. Love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, it's still dark out. Here's the other Golf I have. No, not Volkswagen. The other Volkswagens I have. I have a premium. My voice. I never saw that it's just crazy because I've just woken up, you see, so once I've woken up, my voice will be just fine, but at the moment it's quite deep. This is a rearranged vehicle that I fit 126, by the way. Brasilia. This is actually a Brazil-made Volkswagen, it's not made in Germany. And we got this Zamac. Volkswagen T2 pickup. The T2? No, Caddy. Which actually looks very similar to the Datsun Sunny truck as well. So, oh, that's not turned on. There we go, that's the issue solved. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and peace, and Merry Christmas. Also, let's open, while we're at it, let's open up day 12 on the calendar. That's 12 for being opened yet. 8, 11, 10, 2, 9, 6, 4, 2, 12. No, it's not been opened yet, so I'll be the first one to open this door. Nice. He's nice. It's a nice little frog. It's like a frog or a Christmas pudding. But I don't want him, so I'm going to put him in the fridge. Yes, my fridge is from Poland. It's a Polish fridge. Samsung. Not a smart fridge, but it's a Samsung fridge, which is actually better than the LG fridge I had before. LG makes better TVs, but Samsung makes better TVs, that's for sure. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Peace, and let your festive season be right. Peace.